fraction on top, multiply by 5 over 5. These two 5's cancel out, so you're left with 21 over 5 times 2 is 10. There's your answer. This problem. That was so fast, it's blink of an eye. Blink of an eye. I cannot speak. Thank you very much. Gotta hurry this up because I got the check here in a second. Okay. Next. Okay, so the answer was 1/12. Next problem. What's the difference between 452 and 225? Remember my method that I told you. 225. Well, I'm going to go ahead and look at the hundreds place because I know that to get to 300, I have to go 75. So to get through, we already got 75. We got 75. We're going to add something. We're at 300, so we can add 100 to get to 400, plus 100. And we just have to add 52. Made simple. What do you think the answer is? Let's see. 75 plus 52. Now, this is where I can teach you another thing. You do not have to write these out and add these, okay? All you have to do is look at this place right here, this starting place. This is only for like two whole number, what do you call them? Double whole number numbers, whatever. They have two whole numbers, right? This is only for this. So you look at the addition of the first and, yeah, the first tens place of each of the numbers. 7 plus 5. I'm just going to, yeah, I'm hard at explaining things right now. 7 plus 5, that's 12. Plus, whatever the addition of the ones place is. 127, bam, that's it. Plug that in your calculator, let me just check. And it's 127. What in the world? It's magic. Okay, so that answer was 227. 227. I'm just going to show you another one. I'm going to show you one with the hundreds place. Okay. Now, here's where it gets, I mean, you got to think about it. You cannot match up hundreds place because there's no hundreds place there, right? We can't look at the leading. So we're going to go to the next one and look at this one. We know the one's got to be constant. Unless this is like 90 something, then that's just going to bump up this hundreds place. But we're essentially looking at the first common place in both numbers, which is the 3 and the 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. 153, bam! That's it. Okay? Made simple. Made totally simple. Now, if this was 132 plus 94, okay? Can't look at the hundreds, there's no hundreds. Gotta look at the tens. 9 plus 3 is 12. Uh-oh. We got a number 10 or greater. What does this 1 do? This bumps up the hundreds place to a 2, so we know that number's a 2. Next number's got to be a 2. 2 plus 4 is 8. Can I check that? Yep. No. Because 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, that was the right method, but I just suck at adding. Okay? I'm sorry. That's how you do it. Pretty simple. I'm not going to ruin any more of this video talking about that. But you can experiment with that more. Okay, next one, 12 9/10 minus 6 and 2/5. Change both to improper fractions. 12 times 10 is 120, plus 9 is 129 over 10. Minus 6 times 5 is 30, plus 2 is 32 over 5. Common denominator, multiply by 2. See, okay. Another identity. We're multiplying by 2 over 2, okay? Multiplying by 1. This is equal to 1, right? Multiply by 2 over 2. Well, we don't have to multiply this by 2 over 2. We multiply that by 2 over 2. That's multiplying by 1. Same exact fraction, just a different level, whatever. Okay, so we have 129 over 10 minus 64 over 10, because 2 times 32 is 64. 129 minus 64. Remember what I said? 64 plus 6 is 70, plus 36 is 100, 36 plus 29 is 65. 165, 65. Alright? Yep, 65. I mean, another way to think of it is x plus 64, yeah. Never mind. You just know that this has to be a 12. So you've got to have a 6 plus a 6, these two tens places. You get a 12. Then you have 4 plus something, which ends up being a 5 to get 9. So if you think x plus 4 is equal to 9, then you get x is equal to 5. So that's probably 65. That would have been an easier way to do it. I was just following what method I showed you before. You'll find out your own tricks hopefully. And I know in the future you guys are going to be doing all this crazy technology, whatever. I don't know. Fun stuff. Okay, so I got 5 minutes. Rename 5/8 as a percent. So 5 divided by 8. I really don't want to do this. 8 into 5. I would put a decimal here. Put a decimal. Line up your decimals whenever you divide like this. 8 into 50 is going to be 5, 6. 48 minus, well, 4.8 is 0.2, but you don't have to worry about that decimal right now. I don't think. 0.6 plus 2 divided by 8, right? 0.6 plus 2, I don't know. No, close down. So this is a 0.2, so 8 into 0.2. 0.2 divided by 8 is 0.025 plus 0.6 is, yep, 0.65. This is the way you do it. You have to keep this decimal going down. I've done this a while, so you got to keep this decimal consistent. And what happens whenever you have this left and you can't really divide anything into it, like even if you pull down the zeros, it's just going to go on forever. You won't be able to get it. So you basically just add a remainder. The remainder is plus, you always add the remainder, 0.2 divided by whatever you're dividing by. So 0.6 plus 0.2 divided by 8 can be reduced to brain fart. 0.025. 0.025. So 0.625 is your answer. Note, that's decimal. Percent's pretty easy. All you have to do is move it over 2 places. 62.5%. All you have to do to convert to percent is move the decimal over to the right 2 places. Okay, next is x plus 53.7 is equal to 100. 100 minus 53.7. Okay, get to 54 is 0.3. Plus 6 is 60. So 46.3. 46.3. Did you hear my method right there? Okay, to get to a whole number, add 0.3. To get to the next tens place, you got to add 6. To get to the hundreds, you have to add 40. So 40 plus 6 plus 0.3 is 46.3. Bam. Okay, 30 times 600. This is really easy. As I told you, it's easy to work with tens. Crap, I got to check here in a second. It's easy to work with tens. All you have to do to multiply this, multiply the first 2 numbers. Okay? 6 times 3 is 18. Whoops. And then add on how many zeros there are. 1, 2, 3. 18,000. That is the answer. That's all you have to do. Okay, 9, 3, 8.